Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Altima starter. Before beginning, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, locate the starter motor, typically found near the transmission bell housing. You will need basic hand tools, such as a 10mm and 13mm wrench, along with a ratchet and socket set, to complete this straightforward repair. With the battery safely disconnected, it is time to remove the old starter. First, carefully disconnect the main power cable, usually a thick wire, from the starter's terminal. Then, unclip the smaller solenoid wire. These connections are typically secured with a 10mm or 13mm nut. After the wires are free, use a 15mm socket to remove the two mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block. Once unbolted, gently pull the old starter free. Now, let's install your new starter. Carefully guide the new starter motor into its designated position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the engine block. Reinsert the two mounting bolts and hand tighten them initially. Once both bolts are in place, use your 15mm socket to securely tighten them, but do not over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire, ensuring all connections are snug and secure for reliable operation. You are almost done. The final steps involve reconnecting your battery and testing the new starter. Reattach the negative battery terminal cable, ensuring it is tight and secure. Double-check all your connections one last time. Now, get into the driver's seat and turn the key. The engine should crank strongly and start without hesitation. Listen for a smooth starter engagement and a healthy engine sound, confirming your successful starter replacement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.